This video will be about how to reduce the 20-foot chart to a 10-foot chart to make it easier to read on a regular basis. Each line is changed by half. So the 2020 line becomes a 2040 line, and so forth. There are a number of reasons why you should set this up at home with a bright light on it. Typically, there's no real time to check a Snellen in an office, so it's not checked. You're given lines to read, but you do not know which line you did read. You're immediately put into a phoropter or a trial lens kit, and you're asked one sharper, two sharper, and you never really checked your Snellen. But we are required to pass a Snellen. For instance, driver's license is 2040, and pilots are required to read the 2020 line. It's often inconvenient to set something up 20 feet. 10 feet's much more reasonable and accurate. In order to really see results, if you're using exercise or a plus lens, you really have to know. Just looking at stop signs or saying your vision looks sharper just does not work. You just don't know. So you must rely on yourself and objective measurements that you will be making. If you start at 2060 and get to 2040, exceed 2040, that's good, actually. And that would probably take about 6 months of plus lens wear. In any event, here's the chart. It's just labeled for 10 feet, and then change the numbers appropriately. The 10 line is labeled 20. What was the 20 line becomes 40, and so forth. And so and of course, labeled as the 10-foot chart, so you don't get them mixed up. This is a good process, and your desire is, of course, to know exactly where you stand. Vision varies quite a bit from day to day, week to week, so you must form an average judgment of what you're actually looking at. Otherwise, you just don't know what you're doing objectively. In any event, this is how you do it. Thank you.